Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and hope you had a wonderful week this past week. Today I want to go through my weekly analysis as usual. I'll be starting off with GBPJPY, then go through to GBPUSD, EURUSD, and end up with gold. So from the weekly time frame, as you can see on the GBPJPY um charts, that price got to this resistance level over here represented by the blue line and quickly bounced off it, bouncing off this trend line as well, as you can see here. Okay, and price now forming this nice inside bar on the weekly time frame. Now if we move to the daily time frame, we can see that price, when price got to this resistance level and trend line, it formed this morning star and continued to the upside. Now price is currently at this resistance level over here represented by this blue line. So this is where we'll be looking out for our entry opportunities this coming week. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is currently at this resistance level. So all we're doing is waiting for price to break above this level, okay, and see how price would react when it does. So price tested it here, came back here, tested it once, dropped down, and price is currently at this level. So two things can happen at this level, which is what we should be looking out for this coming week. One, there could be a bounce all the way down to the downside, back to the trend line or resistance level over here, or support level rather, um forming this double top pattern, okay, as you can see. So this can happen all the way to the downside, and it's something we have to watch out for. So we have to watch out for our bearish reversal over there. Second thing that can happen is a break above this level, retest, and a continuation to the top. Okay, so if there is a break above this resistance level here, we can enter on a retest and take our buy opportunities to the top. The reason why I always encourage you to try to enter on a retest when a bullish candle forms is because when price breaks out, there could be a fake out and price could just continue all the way down inside or below the resistance level. So always wait for a retest and wait for a confirmation on the resistance to support level before taking your entry. All right, so these are the two things I'll be looking at in the upcoming week. So this area is a very key area for me, and I'm looking for price reaction around here and see what happens. So if price forms a bearish reversal, like I said, I'm taking my sell trade to the downside. And if price breaks above it, I'll wait for a retest and looking to take my buy opportunities to the next resistance level. So this is my analysis for Euro USD. But generally speaking, I am more bullish on Euro JPY, sorry, on GBP sorry. I'm more bullish, so I'll be expecting that price will break above this level to the top, and I'll wait for my retest. So yeah, so that's what we should be waiting out for. If price forms a nice bullish candle here, maybe an engulfing candle or a bullish pin bar, then or a bearish pin bar or a bearish engulfing candle, then we can take our sell trade to the downside. If not, I'm waiting for price to break above this level and wait for a bullish pin bar or bullish engulfing candle at that particular level. So the next trade I'll be looking at is GBP USD. Again, I'll be going to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that price broke below this trend line as well as support level, then came all the way back up. Okay, initially I was expecting price to get all the way to this level, but maybe I drew it wrong, and that's why price never reached that level. But price got towards this area here. Okay, so if we draw another level, you can see that price actually got to that level. okay, over there, then bounced off it, forming this nice morning star, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Then price got all the way to this trend line. Now we're at this support level over here, and price has, or this resistance level, sorry, and price has closed above it. So which is an indication that price could continue all the way to the top. Now, if we go to our 4-hour time frame, this is where we are. We can see that there is some sort of resistance level over here as well that price seems to have broken above. That is here. Okay. And if you go down, you can see that price has tested it several times here as well. Broke it, tested it here, tested once, and broken above it. So this blue line is a level that is a key level that we'll be looking at, and we'll be looking for either a continuation to the top or a reversal back down to the downside. Okay, so all we're looking for here now is a candlestick pattern that will either show a reversal or that will show a continuation. Now, this big bullish candle plus this other smaller bearish candle here, this is an inside bar which just shows consolidation. So if you move to the smaller time frame, you'll be able to see that price was consolidating, and as you can see it here on the smaller time frame, price was consolidating. So when there's a break out of this consolidation range, then we can look for opportunities. So a break either above this level here or below this level here will mean a continuation to that direction. So if there's a break above this level, it will mean continuation to the top, and if there's a break below this level, it will mean a continuation to the bottom. So that's what we'll be looking at here on the 4-hour time frame. So we're looking at this smaller candle, this black candle over here. If there is a break and closure above this level on the next 4-hour time frame, then there will be a continuation to the top. And if there is a break below and a closure below this level here, then there will be a continuation to the bottom. So that's what I'm looking for GBP USD for the upcoming week. But my bias is more bullish on GBP USD as well. As you can see from this, that I believe that this is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, from in here. All right. So the neck will be broken over here. So once price continues to the top, meaning that the neck of this inverse head and shoulder has been broken, and price will now continue to the top up to this level here. So if the next 4-hour candle closes above this level, which I suspect it will, then we should be looking to take our buy opportunities and capitalize on the up move to this next resistance level. So that's my analysis for GBP USD. Next, I'll be talking about GBP Euro USD. So for Euro USD, for Euro USD, again, we'll be going through the weekly time frame. And as you can see from the weekly time frame, all along I've been expecting price to get all the way to this green level over here, but price didn't yet. Price came down there, then all of a sudden went back all the way back up to this resistance level over here. So right now we're looking for price reaction around this resistance level. There's still a possibility that price could come all the way down here before making the final up move to the top. Okay, so but if that doesn't happen, then there could be a break to a continuation all the way to the top. So on the daily time frame, we can see that price came all the way down here. They didn't really get to where we wanted it to get to, but continued to the top side, and now price is currently at this trend line here and resistance level over here. So again, this is a key area where we'll be looking for price reaction. So a break above this pink area here or red area will mean a continuation to the top, and bearish reversal pattern forming here will mean a continuation to the bottom. So what bearish pattern are we looking at? We're looking at three major bearish reversal patterns. That's the bearish pin bar, bearish engulfing candle, and bearish inside bar. Okay. So if there's an inside bar that forms here, then we would wait for a break of that inside bar either to the top or to the bottom. A break to the bottom will mean a continuation to the downside. A break to the top will mean a continuation to the upside. And so we'll be looking for our candlestick patterns around that red area. If you go to the daily time, the 4-hour time frame, sorry, we can see that price has formed this nice bullish candle over here, followed by this inside bar. Now, a break below this inside bar here will mean a continuation to the downside, and a break above it will mean a continuation to the top. So this is what we'll be looking at to capitalize on in this coming week. I will just say to be patient and let price form before we think of making any sort of trade, because right now it is quite unpredictable what can happen. Although because there's a possibility that price could move in any of these direction, so we should be careful how we take our trades, because there's still that possibility that there's still a possibility of a downward move all the way back here. Okay, so let's not rush into any buy trades for now and see how price reacts. So I'll be waiting for price reactions for Euro USD. I wouldn't be taking any trade on Euro USD. I would probably only sell on the break of this trend line here. So if price comes above it and breaks above this level, then I'm looking to buy the Euro USD. If not, I'll just be watching to see how price um ends up reacting. Okay, so that's my analysis for Euro USD, is to wait and see. My last analysis for today will be on gold. So again, from the weekly time frame, we can see that price bounced off, forming this nice pin bar, bullish pin bar, for continuing to the upside, which is what I was predicting throughout the coming week. And this move actually happened on Friday, and I've been waiting for the move all week. So I was able to capitalize on this move about 200 pips, which is a very good move for me. And if you go to the daily time frame, we can see that price now is approaching this resistance level over here. Okay, so if you're not yet in this trade, you need to wait for price to get to this level. When price gets to this level over here, then we'll be waiting for price reactions to see how price reacts, whether it's going to bounce off that level or it's going to continue all the way to the top. My prediction is that price will still continue to the top, break this resistance level over here and continue to the next resistance level. But if that doesn't happen and price forms a bearish reversal pattern around this resistance level, then I'll be taking my trade to the downside. Okay, and waiting for maybe another opportunity to buy, to take the trade all the way up. Okay, but for now, I believe that price would break that level and price will continue to the top side. So that's what I'll be expecting for gold this coming week. I'll be waiting out for um a break of this level. So if you're already in this trade, I will encourage you to move your stops to break even, and let us see how price reacts. If price starts forming a bearish reversal around this resistance area, then I'll say take your profit. If price breaks this area, we'll wait for a retest, look for an entry opportunity around here, take to the top, and we'll move our stop loss again to break even. Okay, so basically that is my analysis for gold this coming week. I am very much bullish on gold. I'm expecting price to react some around this resistance level over here, and based on that reaction, then that will determine what sort of trade that I will be taking. So this has been my analysis for the four major pairs for the upcoming week. I hope it's been very helpful for you. Remember to always ensure proper risk management, as trading is a game of probabilities and anything can happen. Always make sure you take money from the market as well. Make sure you move your stops to break even and don't be greedy at all. Take as much money from the market as when the market gives you the opportunity to take money from it. So thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.